Guys, back with another video. Today I'm doing a review on, well, I did a couple of reviews on the custom speaker pods. Be sure to use BASSWITHKEV on customspeakerpods.com so you can save you a few dollars on your order or whatnot. I think it might be 10% off. So you might want to get over there and use that 10% off code. You can get these right here, these speaker grill covers, or you can get the custom speaker pods. I leave a link down below. I put some of those on the unglad build. So if y'all want to check that out. A little bit about what I got here. I got the 6.5-inch PRV mid-bass speakers. It isn't one of those ones that go over the actual speaker, right, on this one at least. It actually fits right on it. I already had 2 screws in it, so I didn't take them all out or nothing like that. So of course y'all can see right there, have it lined up right there. I just put 2 in there just for y'all to show y'all. But you know, it mainly, I'm trying to really protect, I need to protect the front ones too. But of course, I'm just gonna put them on the side for right now. I got these right here. So if y'all wanna be sure to go check that out on the web, on the link down below. I'm gonna put the other one on the other side. Of course, y'all can see how it's put on. It's just 4 screws. It'll line right up with the regular speakers that you got. So you should be good to go. You may be able to actually put these over a few of them so it actually line go on the edge right here. But like I say, it's just like, it's simple, 4 screws in there. I'm just gonna put 2 to protect that from the side, you know, anything that might hit it right there, so that way I don't have to worry about it. But just a quick video. Use code BASSWITHKEV on customspeakerpods.com. Get your custom speaker pods and grill covers or speaker covers or whatnot. As you can see right here, I'm gonna just hold that up there like that. As you'll be able to see, that'll look pretty good too. But see, of course, I got 16 of these. There's gonna be a lot of them I'm gonna need. So we'll figure that out. But for sure, y'all be sure to leave the code down below. I mean, leave a like in the comments down below. Use the code in the comment that's down in the comments. BASSWITHKEV is usually BASSWITHKEV on every site, or BWK. If not, just use my links and get there. If you support the channel or whatnot. Sure appreciate y'all for tuning in. I'll see y'all back on the next one.